Come in for just send it there. This is truth. Try the jam. Looks like people get through it all. I'll watch you get stuck and then I'll find you. I didn't let them over time with you. Yeah, we're going to do the scary daring thing. I'm not going to film it well, but I'll try. I can lower you more. Toe on there. Okay, good. Nicely.
We awoke to a beautiful morning at Cooper's Island, after a quick but rough sail from Nanny Key the night before.
Are we having fun yet?
The conditions were way better today on the sail over to Virgin Gorda. We grabbed a mooring ball at the baths, took the dinghy into the roped area, then swam the rest of the way into the beach. And don't forget the requisite selfie. Or 10. It's a decent hike up to the entrance and back. But we were soon exploring the wonders of the namesake Batholisks.
No,
you take the photo from back here, you can see my boat perfectly in the little triangular picture. It's behind Ralph and Sasha's boat, but it is there. Yeah.
I think my tiny device is right here.
It was easy going and quite pleasant at first.
That's done.
But soon we caught up with the crowds on the main path.
Traffic jam. This is cool.
Like the traffic jam.
That was part of the story.
Yeah, I got it.
We had to find a better way. Iain and I went off to look for a secret passage.
Okay, here we can go a different way. I think out is that way, but we can go around in this way. Sure. Yeah, you could probably make it through there. I bet it looks like you can get through there. And then try. I'll let you get stuck and then I'll follow you. Let them over tunneling you. This is fun. This is ace.
Yeah, we're going to do the scary daring thing. There is a bigger entrance that way. This one might work. Now we don't have to go back, right? Okay. So maybe we're done.
All right, maybe it's a face.
Wow. Yeah, I think so. Might have to toss the bag out. Wow. You did it. We're not so sure at the next part.
Yeah, give me both. Yeah, for sure. Got it.
Yeah, it's actually not bad.
It's not too bad.
Reasonable grip if I don't go sliding all the way down.
It's kind of a 3-2-1, yeah. That's it. Nicely done.
See if we can get across the top of those. Is that too far apart?
Can we make this work? Yeah, there's a little ledge here.
Okay.
Or to try at least.
I should have got a helmet cam. That would be better. I didn't do this last time.
Give you a film. So I reckon up here we can
Lean across and grab that.
something like that. It's actually probably taller that side. But it's
You get it here?
I don't know. What do you think? We could definitely make there's a slit here, but this one's gonna get tricky. It's like grades of challenge. You start, then it's like a little scramble through shin deep water, and then you've got this. And gloves and a helmet. Oh, nicely done. You made that look graceful. What's on the other side?
Sand.
A long drop.
Yeah, a long drop.
Okay. Does that create a pathway, or is it just a dead end?
Go down and get one person stuck first. Well, we can certainly get to it. There's a bunch of open. There were footsteps in the sand below, so we were confident that it led back out.
Don't hurt yourself. Do you want a hand? I give you the arm.
Yeah.
I'm not able to film it well, but I'll try. I can lower you more.
Toe on there. Okay, I'm good.
Nicely done. Perfect. I had more time to look at that. Right, we're either stuck forever, or these footprints go somewhere.
We have choices.
Okay, so is that the staircase you just went?
Yes.
Nicely done.
Yeah, we made it.
So which way?
That.
Going that way?
Yeah.
All right. We didn't die. Awesome.
Yeah, it's pretty dirty.
Flat stone kind of there, so this.
We were waiting back at that hole. It never came out.
Well, lost at sea.
Oh, yeah.
They got a find us, or they're just gonna ditch us. What do you think? Yeah, that's not where this came from, is it?
No. Another line.
Oh wait, we're one face forward.
Find a picture of him. Am I out? Duck down. I think that is the exit. Yeah, I think that was the exit. This is just extra.
Okay.
Whoops, did I come the wrong way? I think I made a left turn. Back down here. Did you call for the rescue?
Well, we were just debating because we were like, let's turn around and go back, and then realized we can't go back that way.
We went a bit off road.
We had fun.
Well, we did too, and then I thought that was my fault for losing you.
It just took a bit to calculate how we were going to go next.
Well, from that to the other gorge.
We had to stop and think if we really wanted to continue.
Well, there was the whole thing of you said, if you go down and get lost, I can still go get help.
Yeah, there we go. Yeah, I was halfway down already. So.
It's a very long way to get back inland and around.
Yeah, it's a long stretch. Can we go back through? No.
Go back around and grab the dinghy and then meet you guys here or something.
Yeah.
That's the only other option.
Yeah, one of us swim around a bit, dinghy.
So we came up here and then along. So we would have to do all of this.
Yeah, we're doing that.
They wouldn't let us go back through, so Iain agreed to go get the dinghy while we waited on the beach. Gonna play it here for a while.
Yeah. I can probably go back to the house actually to get back to the beach.
Are you with the Odyssey too? Yeah. I was just like,
Oh, yeah.
familiar. Which boat are you on?
We're on piano.
I think almost all of us came here today. we were sailing so fast, we'd have plenty of time.
It's really cool. It's really good day.
Yeah.
And we were going to go back, but then we realized we have to go all the way back.
Yeah, there's a guy standing at the exit, won't let you go back in.
No. That sucks.
There's a rope barrier around all of the beaches, so if you arrive by boat, you need to leave your dinghy and swim in. Iain was on his way, so it was time to swim out to the barrier. Hey, I think the water got cold.
Yeah. Although when you go in the second time.
Put my leg out, I couldn't reach it.
Thing is, we'll stagger our arrival. There's every chance to get in, so we don't all need to rush to get there.
It's quite a swim out. Next time we're bringing swim fins. It kind of sucks, but it's getting there. Nah, I should have put it in the bag. Yeah, I'm physically way older than I think I am. I want to grab it. Oh, yeah, nice one.
Well done. You made it. You want me to give you your bag as well? You got it? Alright. Further back is always easier if that helps.
Yeah, exactly. That was just thinking about the line and then
Yeah, that works.
drag me to the ladder.
We've done it. We've done it right into that.
Well done, team.
Hey. It was serious. I broke him a little bit. Oh, you're in. You're in. No. Nice. You're in.
Yeah.
That just unhooked itself. That's fine.
It was a great adventure, but it was time to head to the other end of Virgin Gorda for our raft up and costume party.
All handling skills are.
Wait there!
If you're new here, subscribe. Don't forget to like this video, and we'll see you next time.